بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Math grade 8. We are in model 6, lesson 3. Solve systems of equations by situation. We have this question: solve each system of equations by situation, then check the solution. Yesterday we stopped in the number 5. We will start from number 6 and 7 and 8 and 9. I will solve number 6, then you can continue. عليكم السلام عليكم السلام. ما في الثاني. هلا حاليا عندنا صف 8 انت صف 9 صح؟ ايه حتصلي بعد تمام. I will solve number 7 and 8, and you will continue number 9 and 10. So I want from all to focus with me very well. So we want to write the equation from the form y equal mx plus b. So we want to prepare the first equation and the second equation to be like this equation. So from the first equation here, we can remove 2x to the second side, and you can keep 4y in the first side. So here we have 4y equal negative 2x. When you take it to the second side, switch the sign. Take the opposite sign, will be 2x plus 8. So you can divide the two sides by 4 to keep the variable alone here. So divide 4y divided by 4 equal y, and 2x over 4 divide up and down by 2, 2 divided by 2, 1, 4 divided by 2, 2, so you will get 1 over 2x plus 8 divided by 4 equal 2. So this is the first equation. Negative x to the second side, so the equation will be keep 3y in the same side equal negative x, take it to the second side, will be x plus 11. Then we want to remove 3 from this side. You can divide the two sides by 3. Then we want to solve this equation. And here, as you see, we have fraction, and here we have fraction. We can remove the fractions. We can multiply the two sides by 6. Multiply here by 6, and multiply here by 6, and multiply here by 6, and multiply here by 6. 6 times 1, 6, divided by 3 will be 2x, plus 6 times 11, 66, divided by 3 will be 22. 6 times 1, 6, divided by 2 will be 3x, plus 2 times 3, 6. Then you can take the x to the next side. We have here 2x minus 3x equals 6 minus 22. Combine the like terms. 2x minus 3x will be minus x, equal 6 minus 22 will be minus 16. Divide the two sides by -1, so x equals 16. Now we want to find the value of y. You can substitute the value of x in the first equation or in the second equation, the same idea. For example, in the first example equation, y equals 1 over 2 multiplied by the value of x will be 16 plus 2. 16 times 1, 16. 16 divided by 2 will be 8. Then 8 plus 2 will be 10. So it means we have 16, 10. The solution will be 16, 10. I will solve number 8. Then you can solve number 9. In the number 8, we have the first equation ready to work, but the second equation want to prepare or need to prepare. So you can divide the two sides by 2, 2y. Divide by 2 will be y. And negative 3x divided by 2 will be negative 3 over 2x. And here 1 over 2. This is the second equation. Then we can take the value of y in the second equation, then substitute the value of y in the first equation. Put the value of y here, negative 3 over 2x plus 1 over 2 equal 1 over 3x plus 6. We want to remove the fractions here, the denominator 2, here the denominator 3. So we can multiply the two sides by 6. Multiply here by 6. And here times 6. And here times 6. And here multiply by 6. So 6 times negative 3 will be negative 18. Divide by 2 will be negative 9x plus 6 times 1, 6. Divide by 2 will be 3 equal 6 times 1, 6. Divide by 3 will be 2. And 6 times 6 will be 36. Then take 2x to the first side. So in the first side we have negative 9x negative 2x equal 36 minus 3. So negative 9 and negative 2 will be negative 11x equal 36 minus 3 will be 33. So divide the two sides by negative 11. So x equal 33 divided by negative 11 will be negative 3. Then we want to solve the value of y. You can substitute in the first equation or in the second equation the same idea. For example, I will substitute in the first equation. So y equal 1 over 3 times x plus 6. The value of x 1 over 3 times the value of x negative 3 plus 6. So negative 3 times 1, negative 3, negative 3 divided by 3 will be negative 1 plus 6. So negative 1 plus 6 will be 5. So the value of x negative 3 and y 5. This is the common solution. طيب. I want from all to try to solve number 9, please. Then tell me what is your answer. Start, please.
Should be negative 3 and 6.
Repeat, please.
Negative 3 and 6.
What is your name?
Fatma.
Great work, Fatima. I will add to you 1 marks. Who has different answer?
Mister,
Yes.
the same answer of what? Negative
What,
3, 6.
what is your name?
Latifa.
Thank you, Latifa. Great work. I will add to you 1 marks. Who has different answer?
Also me, Mr. The same answer.
What is your name?
Safe, Mr.
Thank you, Taif. Great work. I will add to you 1 marks. Okay. طيب, check with me, please. The first equation ready to work, so I will name it 1. You can prepare the second equation. You can take 6x to the second side. So here you have 2y equal negative 6x plus 12 divide the two sides by 2. So 2y divided by 2 will be y. And negative 6 divided by 2 will be negative 3x. 12 divided by 2 will be 6. So this is the second equation. Take the value in the second equation, minus 3x plus 6, and put the value in the first equation. Substitute the value of y in the first equation here. So y equal negative 3x plus 6 equal the second side here, negative 3x plus 6. Then you can transfer negative 3x from the second side to the first side here. So here we have negative 3x plus 3x equal, here we have 6, and take 6 to the second side where we have negative 6. So negative 3 plus 3 will be 0x equal 6 minus 6 will be 0. Which number times 0 equals 0? We have infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. So the answer, we have infinitely many solutions. Who has any question about this idea? Is it clear for all? Right. I want to from all now to try to solve number 19, please. Try to solve number 19. Then tell me what is your answer. Start, please.
It will be 6 and 22.
6 and 22. Great work, Fatima. Plus 1 mark. Who has else?
Mr. The same answer of Fatima.
Thank you, Taif. Who has different answer? Okay, check with me, please. And here ready to work, and here ready. So you can substitute the value of y in this equation in the first equation. Put the value of y here, 3x plus 4, 3x plus 4 equal 5x minus 8. Then take 5x to the first side. We have 3x in the first side, and here will be negative 5x equal, here we have negative 8, and take 4 to the first side, so will be negative 4. So 3 minus 5 will be negative 2x equal negative 4, negative 8, negative 4 will be negative 12. So divide here by negative 2 and divide here by negative 2 will be x equal 6. Then we want to solve the value of y. You can substitute the value of x in the first equation or in the second equation. The same idea. For example, in the second equation, y equal 3 times x. 3 times the value of x will be 6. Plus 4. So 3 times 6 will be 18. Plus 4 will be 22. So the common solution will be 6, 22, and great work for Fatima and Taif. Who has any question about this lesson?
No question.
Okay, I want to from all students to rewrite, to resolve this extra practice again. Then if you have any question, you can ask me, inshallah, in the next lesson. So this is our lesson for today. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Bye, Mr.
Bye.